Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for tuning in, watching yet another auction video. Today was just a walk around, me picking up a vehicle at Odessa auto auction. I'm gonna bring you guys more content of me picking up vehicles, and I'm gonna do more walkarounds. Uh, I'm doing all this by myself. My wife helps me sometimes, and believe it or not, my daughter helps me with the editing. She knows a little bit more about it than I do, so I gotta shout her out too. But guys, all I want you guys to do is watch these videos, leave your comments, subscribe, and like the video. That'll help me out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to another auction pickup. Today we're at Odessa, New Jersey, and we're gonna go pick up a vehicle that we are going to pick up a vehicle that we won. So let's get to it. To be honest, I'm not sure exactly where it is, so just bear with me, people, and we'll make this happen. So many freaking cars. You can easily get fired. You can easily get lost here, man. This is it. This is mine. 06 Chevy Impala. Now, this is the damage I know about. Well, to either get a bumper, get that shit replaced. But as far as everything else, it looks good. It looks good. Tires look good. Tires look really good. Let's check out the interior. It needs a little cleaning. But you know, it's okay. It's alright. Let's check the oil and all that.